Want to know how to install cool car mods in ChatGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step plan on how you can easily add some mods where you can just simply ask ChatGPT to generate images of cooler cars. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your ChatGPT application or your website, and once and that you should be provided with this interface right here. So just simply open up your sidebar, just simply select this icon right here to open it up, and here you should be seeing explore. Now the mod I would recommend is hot mods that I usually use. So just simply select it hot mods, and you can just simply search it up on the search bar and then select start chat right here. And now you can just simply start off by creating a cool car, and you can just simply give it an image or just make it generate an image as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.